Hello friends. During 80s and 90s I've watched many dramas. Some of them are very popular like Varis, Dhua, Alpha Bravo Charlie, Manchale Ka Sauda, Andhera Ujala, Janglos, and there was this immensely popular Anak Wala Jin. Those who were teens or children in 80s and 90s, they must have watched these plays on Pakistan television. Those of us who are in their late 30s or early 40s, we cannot deny that these dramas are still fresh in our memories. Whenever someone talks about these TV shows, it takes us back to those good old days of our teenage and childhood. You must have noticed that people from our generation who grew up watching these dramas are quite different in our thinking from today's millennials. Few months ago, I noticed my children watching a new Turkish TV show, Ertugrul Ghazi. I've had heard about it from friends who were insisting that I too should watch it. PTV started airing Ertugrul in the month of Ramadan, so my children were kind of glued to TV screens at the time of its broadcast. To tell you the truth, there I made a mistake of watching one episode with my kids. And after that, I could not stop watching it, whether in repeat telecast or on YouTube. The reason I am telling you this is that after watching first episode, it became hard to not to watch it again. Characters of the play, their costumes and everything takes you 700 years back and show you the past of Muslims. Its main character, Ertugrul Ghazi, on which the play is based. And what attracts you to this character of Ertugrul is his sense of justice. Many have fallen in love with Ertugrul in Europe, Middle East, Africa. Millions of people have already watched it in over 60 countries around the world. Many of Pakistanis first came to know about it only after our Prime Minister Imran Khan recommended it. You will also be surprised to know that some powerful quarters in the West and Middle East started criticizing it and disapproved of it, or banned it altogether from showing in their own countries. But popularity of this drama refused to go down. What makes it more intriguing is that it is based on true story and characters, and it shows us an interesting period of Islamic history. Though our youth has been fascinated with fictitious Hollywood characters like Spider-Man, Axeman or Batman, but through this show, they are now getting to know what the real heroes are like. It also shows that a man with beard or a woman with her full body covered can also look good and attractive. A lot of people have already made pictures of Ertugrul Ghazi, their DPs on their social media accounts. The story of play is about bravery of Kai tribe, who established history's one of the biggest and lasting empires with their courage, faith in God, and strength of character. The best thing about this play is that all the dialogues of this play can be written in golden letters. I consider them golden sayings, and people have started sharing them on Facebook as quotes. I would like to tell you some dialogues or sentences of this play. If you allow the enemy to keep even a piece of stone from our land, then the misery will fall on us. Those with no dreams have no future. The strength of our enemy is the cause of our bravery. If we fall, the whole Islamic world will fall. As long as we remain firmly attached to our beliefs and traditions, our heads will not bow. The Islamic flag will not fall. As long as we follow the path of Allah, no one will be able to bring us to our knees. If your heart is pure and virtuous, no evil force in the world can surround you. There is no sword better than Zulfiqar, and no one on the earth is braver than Hazrat Ali. The real hero is the one who has courage to rise again after he falls down. There are two powers. One is the sword and the other is intellect. To date, no sword has been invented that can defeat reason or mind. I am not afraid of death, but my death will be haram for me if I surrender before dying. The stories of our forefathers are not just lullabies for children, but to awaken the men from their slumber. Wherever a person goes, his sustenance already reaches there. We prefer death over betrayal and deception. Allah never leaves those who walk in the path of truth alone. The struggle is ours, but the victory belongs to Allah. We will either become conquerors or martyrs, but the sound of our swords will be heard for thousands of years. Disappointed is forbidden for us. we are commanded not to despair of Allah's mercy. If we wear the bangles of cowardice today out of fear, our generations will tremble at the sight of oppressors. Even if the whole world becomes tyrant, we will not be afraid of tyranny. Do not try to ride a horse you can't control. The sword rests in the hand of those who know how to wield it. I will not forgive a traitor even if he is my brother. I will protect the oppressed even if they are my enemies. We will reveal what is in our hearts with our words and death. In the way of truth, even if the whole universe is against you, believe that Allah is with you. So, the most amazing thing to me in this play is that whenever this scene comes, that the character takes the name of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, everyone else who is there shows respect by bowing his head and putting his hand to his chest. The story of this play contains lessons of obedience to God, love of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Islamic pride, honor, human welfare. The play also tells how to deal with the conspiracy, cunning and hypocrisy. I request all of you that during these lockdown days, you have the opportunity to spend a lot of time with your family. You must watch this drama along with your family. This is not only to teach children about our history, but to awaken our courage and pride as a Muslim nation. No matter how small your numbers may be, if you have faith in God, no one can stop you from succeeding. If we can remember the dialogues of the dramas of 80s and 90s, then I don't think it is possible that those who watch this drama today will not remember the dialogues of Ertugrul Ghazi. The lessons contained in it will run like blood in their veins.